Hey traders, hope you're all doing well and hope you're all having an awesome day. A quick update here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil, and I'll be uploading Indian stock market, which is Nifty, and the US stock market analysis right after this video as well, so hang in there, I'll upload that shortly. So right here, what do we have here on nat gas? Price has pushed down nicely as mentioned in my yesterday's video. Let me quickly show you what I've said in my yesterday's video so that you can understand conditions and entries, as we had a nice entry condition here on Awanda analysis, which I'm going to go through in a moment. So hang in there, I'll be right back. For now, price is pushing down and broken below 50 EMA. I will only look for sell condition, like let's say we have one more red candle and then we have a pullback, a retest of this zone again. I will still go short, followed by bearish engulfer. That is what I'm looking at for nat gas, not buying for now. Buy only above this previous high once the price pushes up, break above this zone, and all you need to mark your rejection areas like this. So if the price hit the zone below, it keeps on pushing down, rejected here, then we have a possible signal that price will push up, but I want to see a good reason to enter, like bullish engulfers. Nice one. So we had an exact move. I've mentioned in yesterday's video, patience is the key, and as you can see, if you are my full course student, you know the exact rules, and I also mentioned these type of entries when trading. Here on YouTube, if you see here, we had price broke below 50 EMA, we had a pullback and followed by bearish engulf. And if you are my full course student, don't get confused of this candle. If the swing low candle is a swing high candle as well, in that case we still have a valid condition. If you are still confused, you can always email me and ask me about this condition. So that is a valid condition. Price has nicely pushed down, easily hit more than 180 target. So at this point, price is still pushing down. Let's go back here on capital.com, as the price has hit the zone which I've mentioned in my last video. All I want to see a good bullish signal, a good bullish engulfer. Must be a bullish engulfer or must be a pin bar or 382 candle. It would be awesome if the price hit this zone, the rejection area, which is 2.529 goes up to 2.545. If that happens and then we get a green candle, bullish engulfer, or a pin bar 382 candle, in that case we have a very strong signal that price will bounce up from here. Now this whole area which I've mentioned in my last video, in case you missed it, this whole area is 2.478 goes up to 2.561 is my buying area. If we have no condition here and price breaks below, I'll still look for my buy condition within this area, but I will also keep on looking for my sell confirmation. If we have a pullback without any condition, if there is no conditions, we still look for entries. If we have a pullback followed by bearish engulfer, we still go short until I see a bullish signal within this area. So for now, price has now hit the demand zone. All I want to see a good signal to enter my buy trade, which can be a next red candle and then next green candle. If that happens, we have a possible double bottom confirmation. So that is what I'm looking at. If we have a condition like this, we are good to go long. So again, red, green, or hit of the rejection zone, pin bar, green candles, any bullish pressure, I will look to enter my buy trade. So keep an eye here, look for conditions only. Here on Awanda, if there is no condition here on Awanda and I see a condition here on capital.com, I'll still enter my trades. I'll still adjust my targets according to my broker's platform and then I will enter accordingly. For now, we have a buying area. Let's say if the price hit the zone, go to the lower level of the zone, and price can still hit the zone here, the upper level, and in that case we are still good to go long. So I'll look for these type of condition if you're trading on different platform. That is how I analyze my trades. So keep an eye here. Price is now bearish. We can have a likely push down to the zone below, which is right here, 2.342 goes up to 2.459, from where I look for my entry condition. Again, if I see entry condition on capital.com, a very strong condition like a double bottom I've mentioned, I will still enter my buy trade. For now, if you have a pullback, bearish engulfer, still go short. Buy only from this area with one of the conditions I've just explained. The next one we have gold. Gold is now in the level of major resistance, and as you can see, it respected 786 retracement, but that is fine. I'm not trading that for now. For now, at this point, I still want to see a conditions like bearish engulfers or double top entry confirmation, and for that I look for on 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. And as you can see, we do not have any sort of condition on 1 hour time frame. For that, I still want to see a push up, something like this, a formation of double top pattern. If we have that, we are good to go short. Let's remove this fib tool. Don't want to confuse you. The reason I have plotted my fib tool is to calculate a pullback. So if you want to plot that, you can calculate if we have a pullback, we can get a pullback to 50 EMA or 50% retracement, and price can likely push up after that. If you are an aggressive trader and if the price keep on falling down, if it hit 50 EMA, that can be your buy limit order, and take profit can be 180 or 1.618. retracement. So these are the conditions I'm looking at. Either go short with sell condition, long if we have a hit of the zone followed by bullish engulfer, or buy limit order as an aggressive entry. Next one we have silver. Exactly the same. Silver is still in between the zones. It's not broken yet, and we do not have any sort of bearish conditions. Right here, if you see on daily time frame, it's only one candle. It can still push down, closed back in the zone. So that is why I'll wait. If we have another candle closed above this area, in that case, the price will turn completely bullish, or we can see a pullback, and then a price can continue to push up. Now with the fib tool, we still do not have any sort of pullback, but right here, if we get a pullback, 50% retracement is right here, 24.06, from where we can get another push up, and then price will head towards the next level of major resistance, which I'm going to mark in my upcoming video. So that is what I'm looking at for silver. If we have a next green and red candle closed back in the zone, in that case we are still good to go short. So keep an eye here. If you're confused, you can always ask me on my Instagram. The links are in the description. Make sure you only DM me in my verified Instagram channel, because there are so many other Instagram channels pretending to be me, and they are messaging my followers and asking money from them. So do not get scammed by these type of scammers. So be careful. Only follow me if you see verified Instagram channel. Next one we have crude oil. Perfect. So the patience paid off. Price has pushed up, hit the level of major resistance, and as you can see, we can see a bearish engulfer right here. Looking at that, we can only expect a little scalp. I don't trade crude oil on 1 hour time frame, but that is an exact condition. But on 1 hour time frame, if we have a push back up and double top formation, we have a very strong signal, and I will personally enter this trade if I see a double top condition here on crude oil. If not, I will still wait for a bearish engulfer. If we have a next candle closed as a bearish engulfer, we have a good sell signal as well. So price is now in the selling zone. I'm expecting a good fall from here, at least less than $1, or at least 50 EMA, or the zone that has been recently broken, from where we can get another push up. Price can still push up back in the zone and then form another sell signal if there is no conditions here, and then we can good to go short. So whole zone is my selling area. Keep an eye here for your conditions. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.